Yo, what is going on, guys? It's the Tiny Perch Gang, otherwise known as the Sturdy Boys. So I wasn't planning on making a video today, but we came out here on a hike, and we were supposed to go to Kentucky today, and now we ended up all the way out here in Whitewater. So yeah, we're out here in Whitewater, which is where we live. We have all of our backpacking stuff packed, so we decided to go on a hike. And for our Tennessee trip, we were planning on also going fishing, so we also had the fishing gear in here. Just so happened on our hike, we found this fishing, like this little pond that we've come on before this summer. And so it's gonna be the first cast of the season for me. I'm excited. I got the brand new ultralight pull out, so never thrown this baby out. So that'll be awesome. And hopefully we can catch some fish and just, this is pretty awesome. Today's looking up. We got the coronavirus stuff going on, and we're not letting it bother us. I mean, obviously we're taking our precautions and keeping our distance from people, from just about everyone right now. We're nowhere near anyone. So let's see if we can catch some fish. All right, guys, well, I got the drone up for a little bit, but it was just too windy out here. I think a little too sketchy to actually try and fly it for very long, especially over water. And so I mean, it's windy right here where we're at, almost like in a little bay. I can imagine what it was like over there. That drone was definitely fighting to stay up and to stay hovering. I'm gonna check what the temperature is right now on my little thermometer. We got about 33 degrees out here. It's pretty chilly. It's getting colder, so we're gonna try one more little fishing spot over here in a bay. Jake said he saw some fish cruising, and then I think we're gonna bring it back home. So check back in with you guys after we catch some fish. All right, guys. When I said that we were actually gonna go catch fish, I was joking. I meant not catch fish. So we did exactly what we wanted to do. Whoo! It's cold. We tried to start a fire, and then we got bored. We weren't gonna waste our time with that when we could be fishing.
It's too wet and too windy right now.
Yeah, it's been raining for the last day straight.
If you needed to survive out here, but it wasn't worth it for the short time we had today.
Yeah, exactly. Don't even get me started on surviving out here, by the way. I could survive out here no problem for at least 30 days straight, all right? I got enough food in my backpack to feed an army. So we got about a 2-mile hike back. We're not complaining. These views are amazing. And this trail is surprisingly nice if you guys get a chance to check it out. It's the Ice Age Trail in Wisconsin. It runs through just about all of Wisconsin. I think we'd both strongly encourage you to check it out.
Definitely.
It's definitely worth it.